plans are reportedly advanced in the creation of a registry for small ruminants. The registry will allow for identification and tracking of specific breeds developed in Jamaica. Marlon Samuels has the details in this report.
The government of Jamaica, through the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, has implemented a national animal identification and traceability system. The proposed small ruminant registry will meet the National Animal Identification Program requirements, including the issuing of a registration certificate. The registration certificate is an official document which includes information such as who owns the goat, date of birth, the breed, a color description, and unique identifying marks, if any.
A registry gives us the opportunity to track and trace animals which have been bred here in Jamaica, so we'll know the full genetic background and be able to properly identify these animals as they are bred and developed here in Jamaica.
The registry is just one way of tracking and protecting goat and sheep farmers. They are also encouraged to work in cluster groups,
where we're sharing knowledge, we're sharing, our experiences, and whenever a farmer have a problem, we can all run go to help him, and within our communities we can run go and help him. And Preda Larson is another big thing. Within those cluster groups, and you have a community, if you see some strange people coming inside there, you can call. You have your WhatsApp groups, which is very important. A lot of these guys have WhatsApp group. You can WhatsApp and see a strange car coming in the area, so that we all can just go ahead and protect each other as we go along.
Some of the top breeds of goats and sheep will be on display at this year's staging of the Denby Agricultural and Industrial Food Show, beginning July 30, 2022. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.